My name is Shafiq and I am going to give a lecture on computer science topic, that is structure of C++ program. Okay. Today in this topic we are going to learn a general structure of C++ program. Let us see how the general structure looks. Okay. General structure of C++ program. So here general structure refers to the way of writing C++ program. What are all the things that we have to include while writing C++ program? Okay. So let us see what are the things that we have to include in structure of C++ program. Okay. The first and foremost thing is you need to have a comment line, which is optional actually. Then you should have header file section. Third one is your class declaration. Next thing is, within this class declaration you have to declare data members. Then member functions. Then we write main function declaration. Then we go for object creation. Then the end of C++ program. So if you want to write any C++ program, you have to follow the steps which are given in general syntax. Let us take an example program to understand what are all the things that we include in our C++ program. Okay. So let us take an example program here. So I am going to write example program here. So first and foremost thing is you have to write a comment line. So comment line is written like this. First you have to put a slash, then multiplication symbol for writing a comment line. So here usually we used to write the intention of program. So here I am going to write a program for addition of two numbers. Therefore the intention of program is written in comment line. Okay. So here I am writing a comment line. I am writing the program intention here. Purpose of writing a program. Okay. Here it is a C++ program. For adding two numbers. And comment line is ended with same multiplication symbol and a slash. Okay. So after the comment line we have to go for header file section or header file declaration. So header files are written like this. You have to use a hashtag, include IOStream.h. So I will explain what is the purpose of writing #include IOStream.h. After this, we write another header file #include com IO.h. Com IO stands for console input output. IO stream stands for input output stream. Okay. So this is our header file section. I have completed header file section. After this, we have a class declaration. So for class declaration, you have to write a keyword class. For declaring a class, you should write a keyword class. Okay, class space, you have to write a class name. So it is user choice. It is user choice. You can give any name. Here I am going to give a name as example. It is user choice. You can give any name. Here I have given class name as example. Okay. So within this, we have two sections, two subsections, that is data members and member function. So data members are nothing but the variables that we use in our program. So here, while writing data members, you have to declare an access specifier. You have to declare an access specifier. We have three types of access specifier. In that, we are going to use two access specifier, that is private and public. Okay. So in this private section, I am going to declare my variables. For example, I have written a variable A and I require another variable int B and I require another variable called int sum. Because I am performing addition of two numbers, for storing values of A and B, I have taken two variables, and for storing the result, I have taken a variable called sum. Okay. After this, we have to go for member function. So I am writing here member function in public section. I am writing a member function in public section so that it can be accessible from main function. Okay. Here I am going to write a member function like, first you have to write a return type. I have written return type as void space function name. Function name, I am taking function name as get data. Function name as get data. If I write this braces means you have to treat it as a member function. Because it is present in the class, we say it as member function. Okay. Within this, for getting data is nothing but I want A and B value to compute the sum. So therefore, for getting the data, I have written a member function by name void space get data. Okay. So here I am using a cout statement for getting the values of A and B. Okay. So here I am going to write enter the value of A and B. Enter the value of A and B. For getting those values from output screen, we are using a cin. For getting values from output screen, we use cin A, cin B. You can write this in two statements, or I can take the values from output screen in a single line. Okay. So this function is closes here. Then for computing the sum, I can write one more member function. I am writing member function here. I am writing another member function here as void add. Okay. So in this member function, I am going to add the two variables that I have taken. For storing result, I have taken a variable called sum. Sum is equal to A plus B. Sum is equal to A plus B. So only thing is I have computed the sum of A plus B in this particular member function. Okay. At last I have to show this result on my output screen. For that I am going to write one more member function by name void show. Okay. In this I am going to show the sum that we have computed here. Cout sum is equal to sum. I close the bracket here, so it means my member function has been closed here, and my class that which has been opened here and which is closing here now. So now my complete class declaration is completed. Then we have to take main function declaration. Main function declaration is declared like this. Again you write return type void space main void space main. Within this I am going to create an object. So here how to create object means first you have to take class name. My class name is example. First you have to write a class name space I am giving a object name as E. I have written object name as E. It is user choice, you can give any name. Okay. By using this object, you have to call the member function as getData. E dot getData. I am calling the member function E dot getData. After that, for completing sum, you have to call E dot add. For showing the result, you have to call a member function show. E dot show. So after this, I am going to end my main function. So which is your end of C++ program. Okay. In general structure, we have written a comment line by using a slash multiplication symbol. Then we have written header file section, hash include iostream notation, hash include con.io notation. The purpose of using this iostream and con.io is if you have written cout and cin statements. The meaning of this cout and cin is present in iostream and con.io notation. Therefore, we are using header files in our program. Okay. Then we have class declaration. By using a class keyword, you can give any name. It is identifier or user choice. You can give any name. Okay. So within this, I have written access specifiers. Private. You have written private as access specifier. It means you cannot access this member function outside the class. That is, after completion of class, you cannot access this member function outside the class. Okay. And I have written this member function in public section. So because this getData and add and show can be accessed from the main function that is out of class. So therefore, I have written this access specifier as public. Okay. So we have three member functions in this as void getData, void add and void show. At last, in main function I have created object example space E. By using this object, we are calling a getData member function which calls your getData function. Here it comes here, it asks our user to enter the value of A and B. So for example, I am drawing the output screen here. It asks user to enter the values of A and B. Enter the values of A and B. So I can give any values. Here I am giving 10 and 20. So I have given values 10 and 20. This will be stored in your A variable. 10 will be stored in your A variable and 20 will be stored in your B variable. After storing this, we are calling e.add. That is, it comes to add function by taking the values of A and B. My value of A is 10 and my value of B is 20. It computes the sum and the result will be stored in your sum variable. So now sum is variable which is storing the value 30. After execution of this statement, it comes back to main function again. Where I have one more member function, that is e.show. So which calls your show function, where I have displayed sum is equal to here it displays sum is equal to. So sum means it displays the value of the variable, that is 30. It displays value of variable, that is 30. So in this class, we have discussed a general structure of C++ program. We have seen what is the purpose of writing comment line. Then we have seen header file section. We have seen class declaration. We have seen data members and member function. Then we have written a main function. Then we have created object. From the object we have called different member functions, and this is the end of the program. I hope you have understood the concepts. Thank you.